Oh, hey, babe. Welcome back. I could tell by your demeanor it's been a long day at work, hasn't it? What are you doing with that? Hey, I thought I told you you can't smoke around me. I have asthma, remember? It triggers my cough. Please. Please. Don't do this. If you need to, go into the other room. Oh, great. He has his earbuds in. Oh no. My chest is tightening. Can't breathe. Babe, stop it. You're making my cough worse. Can't breathe. Feel lightheaded. Feel like I'm gonna black out. What happened? Where am I? Oh, good Lord. Look, I've told you so many times not to smoke around me. You know I have asthma, and that triggers my cough. All that smoke coming out, it narrows my airways to the point where I can't breathe. And it's hard, okay? Hand me my inhaler, please. Okay. Now you'll remember for next time. If you want to smoke to relieve your stress, go do it in another room. Please. I love you. Okay? I'm not trying to be harsh on you. It's just certain things trigger my asthma, and the coughing fits can get violent, so I don't want you to see me like this. Oh, good Lord. Okay. I love you, babe. I am going to rest for a little bit. All that violent coughing has exhausted me. I love you. Mwah. Talk to you later.